Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today is Friday, March the 4th of 2022, and I'm coming at you guys with a day in the life, follow me along vlog. Yeah. You guys are seeing this Saturday, and so I'm vlogging on Friday. Really cutting it close, because this is going up tomorrow morning on Saturday at 8 a.m. So, yeah, typically I'm just going to give you the warning. This vlog probably isn't going to be the most exciting one ever. I try to pick the most exciting day of the week to vlog when there's a lot going on. And really, there's been stuff going on in my life, but it's not really vlog-worthy, so I've not vlogged. I really just put this off till today, hoping some exciting stuff would go down. And so we're going to just kind of see what happens. This is going to be pretty real life, follow me along, even when there's not a whole lot of exciting stuff to talk about. So anyway, it's Friday. Got a few things to do today. I need to start prepping my Walmart deals video for tomorrow. Typically, I'll go film that Saturday morning or whatever, so I'll work on prepping the deals and looking through the inserts for this upcoming week and just kind of find deals. Also, honestly, I don't know. I need to do some clean up my office area here. And so there's just a couple of interesting things, it's just real life stuff going on today. I'm going to cook dinner, got a new recipe I'm trying out. So just, doing all the things today, and I'm here to share them with you guys. So anyway, y'all, that's kind of what's up. Gonna sit down now, do some computer work, answer comments, get my planner all set up for the day. And yeah, I will share that with you guys once I get to doing that. Okay, so I want to show you guys my planner here a little bit. I'm loving this planner so much. It actually is really weird. It's a Faith Happy planner, but I converted it into a hourly planner, and it's really, really cool. So here's how it actually comes, but I converted it into a hourly planner. So I have a little to-do list at the top, and then I break it down by the hours here, which is awesome. I absolutely love this thing so much. And so what I've been doing is, like, for today, I had a lazier morning, slept in a little bit, watched some TV. It's Friday. You can do that, right? So yeah. And then basically I just kind of do to-do lists. So kind of like between 11, it's after 11 now actually, but that's okay, to about 1 o'clock, I need to start this vlog, answer comments, do my social media posts for the day, and prep my Walmart video. And it's kind of how I do is I just go down this line and do to-do list, for each hour. If there's an appointment like church, I just highlight that knowing it's an appointment, something I have to go to. But, this is really, really nice. So loving my daily planner. And I went to Staples this week, actually, and I picked up this really nice planner cover. If you guys saw my video a couple weeks ago when I bought this planner on clearance, it came with a kind of a girly cover I really didn't like, and I kind of tried to DIY it, but I don't know. I just was craving a nicer, more professional thing, and this definitely fits the bill. It's really nice. It's got a super awesome feel to it. Love this thing so much. It comes with a nice little pocket inside. It comes with this other pocket. It comes with tons of note pages. Really, really nice, high quality note pages. It's got a pin loop. I love this thing. So definitely a purchase well made. Super, super happy with this. Okay, guys, it is now like 1:30 or so. And I just made a pit stop to the post office because I knew I had some mail that should be here, and lo and behold, it did arrive. So I'm super, super excited. So I got two things here. The first thing is a letter from Kelly. She had told me she was going to be sending me some coupons, which is so sweet. And so open those up and see what I got. So Nick, enjoy these extra coupons. Kelly. Thank you so much, Kelly. Ooh, there's some good ones here. Got $1 off of Vaseline, Fix-It-In, these Quaker coupons. That's really nice. Thank you so much, Kelly, for passing along your extra coupons. Very much appreciate that. And the next one is actually a very big package from Mike and Ken. They send me these packages from time to time. It's really sweet of them. So thank you guys so much for that. So the first thing we got here. These cookie bars are addicting. It's hard to just eat one. Oh my gosh. I can see why. Look at that. That looks delicious. It's a dark chocolate sea salt chocolate chip cookie bar. That looks amazing. Wow. Thank you guys for that. It's going to be really cool to try. I was going to wait and do this at home, but I'm going to try one of these right now because it's staring me in the face. It looks delicious. So let's see how these taste. That's amazing. You definitely weren't joking when you said that those were addictive. Those are amazing. So good. So yeah, that's awesome. Okay, they wrote little notes. That's nice. Okay, so these are cube trays. It says, these cube trays are great for unused open box can of broth. Once open, it has to be used within 5 to 7 days. The frozen broth cubes are great for recipes, and they require a minimal amount for flavoring. Trays are small, so it doesn't take up lots of freezer space. Now, that is a cool idea. If you have extra cans of broth, or like if you open up a can, let's say it says it takes, 5 cups, and you have a carton that's 4 cups and then a can that's 2 cups and you're only needing 5 cups. You have that one left over. This is a good idea. You could freeze that. Really cool. Thank you guys for that. That's a cool idea. Okay. These body towels are wonderful. Unlike the scrunch up ones or long handle wooden brush, which gets funky and moldy. After use of a body towel, just rinse, wring out, and hang over the shower head to air dry. This is cool. Thank you. Oh, and they always send their cool coupons they get. Silver palette. And then it looks like they also sent this Trader Joe's Fearless Flyer. So it's like a magazine, or it has recipes in it or something. Cool. This is cool. They did this last time. They send me sales flyers for stores that they have in California. So this one, Smart and Final, that is really neat. Wow, that's awesome. It's so cool to see how prices vary per region or whatever. So they sent me a Smart and Final ad. They also sent me an ad for Superior Groceries. Never heard of this one, but Superior Groceries. Got some good prices, looks like. Neat. They also sent me, I've heard of this one, Statter Brothers. So cool. And then they sent me this one. It's CVS, but it doesn't look like a typical CVS ad. I think this is like a Spanish CVS or something. That is so cool. Wow. Then they sent me Food for Less, which I believe is a Kroger affiliate. So that is neat. Awesome. Then they also sent me a Ralph's ad, which this is just like Kroger. This looks just like a Kroger ad to me. Like, it's like identical. Wow. That is so cool. And then they also sent I believe this is Vaughn's, right? Yeah, Vaughn's ad, which is another store. It's like an Albertsons affiliate, which we don't have any of those here either. So that's really cool. Thank you, Mike, for that. That is so cool. That's awesome. Okay. And then he sent this dark roast French roast coffee. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to do that, though. I really appreciate it. Mike and Ken, as well as Kelly, for sending the coupons. It's so sweet. Totally don't expect anybody to send me anything. Like, you totally don't have to do that. But it always does brighten my day when when I go to the post office and there's a card there that somebody sent, or a letter or whatever. It just reminds me of how awesome of subscribers I have out there. You guys are so sweet. So anyways, thank you. I'm going to be heading back home. I don't have any more stores to go to or anything today, which is really nice. Typically, I don't have a store to go to on Friday, which is fun. Yesterday I went to Walmart and Kroger for my haul video, and then tomorrow I have to go to Walmart again to film, and I have to go to Family Dollar and probably Dollar General for the 5 off 25. So to have Friday off from one of the stores is pretty good. Yeah, I go to the store probably more than most people because that's what my job is. So yeah. But anyway, guys, gonna head home, and I will catch up with you guys once I have more to share. Okay guys, it's around 3 o'clock, and I kind of just wanted to give you a little behind the scenes update kind of deal here. So I got my Walmart video all prepped and ready for tomorrow. I worked on it this morning, and then I worked on it again now, and finally got all the deals and matchups and everything together. It just takes some research, matching up the coupons and the rebates and things. So got all that together, and also got my printable breakdown here. Not gonna let you see that because want to make sure you guys come back on Sunday for the deals video. But kind of what I do is my process, a little behind the scenes, is I just start researching the deals. So I look through the inserts, I view an insert preview for Sunday and see what coupons we're getting. I basically just flip through all the rebate apps. Like I just go through them, see what offers are available, and kind of make myself familiar with those deals. And then I kind of have an idea in my head of what the deals are for that week and what kind of matches up together. And then I sometimes will check out other YouTubers' videos. Like I saw Sisters Saving You Cents. They did an IG post about the Gatorade with protein. So, sometimes you'll see other people post deals as well. And so thank you to them for that. And then so basically I type out the printable breakdown. And then I go down the list and do the little end cards. So I do this in Canva, which is really cool. I basically have this template I use for everything. I put the store's logo up here. I type out the deal, and then I just go Google search a picture of the product and copy and paste that here. And that's kind of how I do that. So I thought some of you guys would enjoy that little behind the scenes. A lot of people have been asking me lately, how do I find the deals? Honestly, it's a lot of work. It takes a lot of hours. So that's why I like to do these videos, so you guys don't have to spend a lot of hours researching deals. I kind of do the hard work for you. But that's kind of my process for how I put the videos together. All right, guys, it's about 5 o'clock now, and I'm going to get started on dinner for tonight. We are going to make this sheet pan meal. It's like a smoked sausage sheet pan meal. My friend sent me a recipe for it. I actually lost the recipe she sent me, so I had to find a new recipe online. I'm hoping it's like the same thing. I guess we shall see. I'm really excited, though. I've been trying to cook more, just practice for the future. I want to be a good husband that cooks, so I don't want to be like not knowing how to cook. So yeah, definitely getting my practice in right now. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna make this meal and see how it turns out, and I'll vlog it along the way. Alright guys, so dinner is done. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this vlog here because there's probably not going to be anything else that interesting happen tonight. But dinner was amazing. That was so good. Thanks again to my friend for sending that recipe over to me, even though I lost it. It got deleted off of my phone, and so I had to find a new recipe. But she put the inspiration in my head, so thank you. I know her mom's watching, so yeah, thanks. But anyway, Definitely that's probably going to happen again. Honestly, that meal is probably going to happen again because it's delicious and it was so easy. Like all you basically had to put the potatoes in 10 minutes before because potatoes take longer to cook. And then I just added all the other vegetables. So the zucchini and the yellow squash, and we did some bell pepper. And the green beans wouldn't fit on that sheet pan, so I just had to do that on a separate pan. But we all ate it all up. It was amazing. It was delicious. And I don't even like green beans usually. But I don't know. I don't like canned green beans. But the fresh ones with the olive oil and salt and pepper on it, that was bomb. I loved it. So that's definitely on the meal plan again. So awesome. Kroger sent some coupons today. That's exciting. Got some good ones here. 8 off of 80 and just some really good coupons. So likely most of my grocery shopping next week will be at Kroger. So that'll be fun. I typically do my meal kind of grocery list and meal planning, start that on Friday, but we didn't get the respecs ad in the mail today, which we usually do on Fridays. And so I'm able to compare their ad for next week with Kroger's ad and kind of see what I want to do, but it didn't come today. So, didn't get around to meal planning, but that's okay. So anyway, guys, I do hope you did enjoy this. Hopefully this was a good vlog, even though it was kind of boring. There's not a whole lot going on that's vlog worthy. You know, I definitely have stuff going on in my life. Kind of a stressful time right now, I'm not even gonna lie. But you know, it's not really exciting stuff to share on video. So, you know, what you gonna do? But I think this was still fun. It's real life, you know, it's real life. So anyways, that's all I got for today's vlog. I hope you did enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching.